Spice gives relationship advice to the ladies how to get and keep your own Rastaman.
Watch Rasta! Yo, me tell about it. No, tell me now. Talk truth. Manifestation, man ass. Me give the boy me head. Even the stop stir my daily mate. Oh, the Rastaman in a bed. But we to the boy, I can't take it no more. I just the truth.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
So it looked like Spice had a busy weekend. She had a show in Atlanta, she had one in Tampa, and she had one in Fort Lauderdale, right? So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So while they were in the airport, she decided to go live. She and her dancer them and her selector authorized. Now this are not the regular Team Spice. This is not TC Rebel and Pretty Pretty. These are the American Team Spice, we are going to call them, right? Whenever she come to America, when they must pick up by now, she have different dancers. So I think one of the dancers named Cookie and one named Tayeri. Hope I said that right. If not, it's the one with the blue ear, right? The one with the vibes. So Spice talk about her song Ed and she talk about her Rastaman, and you know them a chime in on Spice relationship, and Spice decide to give them some advice. So first we have one heap of clip we go to scene. So let's start with Spice explain, you know what I mean, why the Rastaman mash up her head. Here goes.
We could talk about Ed now. Me weak to the boy, me can't take it no more now. I don't talk, him say I'm insecure, but enough gyal run him down. That's why me watch him like cause him got through the door. You know want to say like me I tell? You know want to say, you know really find a man for me gonna watch him like I sound life boring. Then you just fuck so now find a good man for me. No, no go crazy. Must be crazy.
Never know so love nice.
Nice. Look here. Nice. When the Rastaman around me, I want to know what him doing. How it go. I call him right through like a general. All when I see 2 hours pass, I not see him call me, I just video call him. All when me no. Can't give it a secret. Can't give it a secret, the rest is here. The rest is watching me. All when me not ask about nothing. You have to check up. You crazy? Them girl you out the road. Them not easy. Them grab a man fast. You have to know what you do. You have to focus. When you have good man, you have to focus. Okay. Don't worry about last week. Last week I lift up. I dance it out last night when I did Tampa. You have to focus. When you get good man, you have to focus. See, man, the girl like Tayeri. Them girl like Tayeri with sweet.
I like that. Come and take people, man. They're crazy.
Tayeri wants a man right now. I don't know how she honest like the girl them last night.
Who want that dick?
Hey,
I want a body.
Just come out tonight.
Come out, yeah, she there prison for 1 year and just come out. You want body tonight.
She want body. But you don't have to check up on the man. You know crazy. You can't leg a man for roam a road. Them gyal will eat on a man. Them gyal will go up on head and broke them neck pound a man. You crazy?
Talk about Spice hairstyle for a quick second. She has said when she go through the airport, she have to wrap it around her neck like a scarf. And when the white people them see her, them say them like it. But them actually probably think that she's a mad woman, right? Because a whole heap of hair she have. So big up Spice hairstyle. Inches the queen, so wanna see it. So you know Spice and her dancer them relationship go. And this, you know what I mean, from when me sip online and sip on her page and for them page, them have a close relationship. Them have a working relationship and they also have a friendship. So when you see how Spice put her dancer in the hot seat a while ago and say our dancer will take up people, man. Now in the next clip show you Spice actually even put her more on the hot seat, but I think she angle herself well. That's why I like her. You see what I say? I can't call her name 100% good, you know. I think it's tired. I may try, I may learn, but you know what I mean, I think she angle herself well. So let's take a look at that clip.
From I listen me there, I laugh with Tayeri. I watch her from there, and every time she see my man, she dep and watch Rasta.
Because me just manifest my Rasta. I don't watch fear Rasta. I just manifest my Rasta. You understand? So every time when them say watch Rasta, I have to say watch Rasta.
You have Rasta now?
If she in a blood clot, I
manifest my Rasta. That's
I
easy.
not listen to what she has said. I watch you.
I manifest my Rasta.
Because all of the friends will take on the man. So you can't stay there that time, but you don't know watch the man.
Yo, slicey
wicked. For me here, she said watch Rasta one time. Me not take me yaya far. Every time a blood clot man come downstairs, Me I watch 3.
I like that.
Because every minute she there and watch Rasta. Rasta.
I manifest
All of a
my
sudden.
Rasta. Manifest me, you have to manifest a Rasta. You understand? You see the black love, you have to manifest for that too. Yeah. And she muggle right through with Ozzy. So you have to manifest mine too, you crazy? Watch Rasta.
So the my Rasta you want Rasta for
I
yourself.
want a Rasta for myself. Yes.
All
And
right,
I see how
then.
Rasta make you feel more my Rasta so now me feel
But let me explain something to you when it comes to relationship.
Yes.
You will get a Rasta, you know, not gonna make you feel like, oh, my Rasta make me
Make
feel.
you
To each
feel,
his own.
which is right.
So you cannot say that.
Which is right.
And you see the girl with them relationship.
Yeah.
And you say goals.
Yes.
Goals, your blood clot. And a sight go. And a sight go.
right.
Build your own goals.
Which is right.
Because how a man treat me, I'm not gonna treat
Me
you.
not treat you.
Because my old probably better than yours. You understand? We caught her.
Yo, Chipley.
Cookie, we caught her.
That one ain't right. You can't catch me so.
We caught her. We said that about caught her, Cookie.
You wear my shirt, you wear my pants, you wear my wig. You can't catch me so.
Cookie.
You don't drip me right through.
Lord, things are get hot.
When you see what go on, right? So she has to she want to manifest her own Rastaman, but she just take Spice example because, you know what I mean, Spice have fear Rastaman right now and she like how it a go and she see the things them she say, the love and the black love. So she just talk and manifest her own Rastaman. You see me? But people, it's just fun and laughter. I'm glad say them have that kind of relationship where, you know what I mean, Spice know what she can say to her and what she can't say to her. You see me? And the way she take it and I say, you know, you grab my wig, you grab my shirt and everything that's good of her also. You see what I say? So in the next clip, she even go explain more where she see her going in a Spice relationship, what she would have liked for fear herself, right? So we are going to get on to that clip there. Here goes. Take a look.
No, but I true me attack. You have to listen to me. You know, so I'm going to start do an advice session. I'm going to start an advice session. Because yes, you see the people that want to talk about goals. Yeah. And then you don't want the girl man. I want to do everything to take the girl man. I want to take the girl man and the man not treat uno like oh uno used to see the man that treat the girl.
Right.
To each his own.
Yes.
So set your own goals.
Look about it.
Find your own man. Look about
No, but you
Find
see,
your own liking.
you want to know? You have a thing where sometimes you say no.
Oh. Wait, the week egg with my first on the table.
You know, sometimes you say, my hair, I love them the way they go on. So someone go on and manifest that thing. So when time I go on,
Oh,
so
so you
say,
like,
my
oh.
scalp.
Oh, so you just like oh me go on with my man then. You just like you like the relationship I'm build with my man.
Yes.
And you want your relationship to be like that.
I manifest my relationship to be even better.
Well, I'm the people them area, I
But
see you.
I manifest my relationship to be even better. You understand?
Right.
But that shows me a little set. You know, you're not showing a toxic relationship I go on this so. You know, you're not showing a little toxicity. So at that, I just like, you understand?
When I run left the toxic man them.
Right.
And sometimes when I have the man them and the man them full of problem, I don't know I let them go.
Right. You have to let them go. You
You
can't.
have to let them go and move on and find better.
You can't make them mad. You cannot. You have to really focus.
But you not just say no man never mad yet.
Never mad me yet, you crazy?
So what happened to the boy with that call me down on a ball and I say
You should not feel like no man.
nah, shut it down.
You don't stay good.
Talk the truth.
It's not true.
And that me like with una girl, everybody come talk. But I have no head. Una talk the truth.
never
It's
mad
just
me.
the truth.
Him never mad
So
me.
where
The
you
more
call me?
them
Where you
mad
there
me.
say?
Him,
Yeah, stutter and a stammer. When you call me about the boy, what you really did I say?
him just never behave himself. So I just didn't want a little, you know, little help. Just didn't want a little help.
You know me, I think people, it's ironic because, you know what I mean, as she in a Munga music video, now mad over no girl, even though in a this instance, Spicer asks her about mad over a man. Me don't know how that really, but me just remember that. You see me, so me just mention it. But anyway, people, remember why Spice say she a pre-R, right? Because every time the Rastaman forward, she say, watch Rasta, right? So me I go show you how much of a fun person this girl is actually is, and Spice and everybody has so you know say a fun people them, and this are just all fun, right? Cause this are up on live. I'm sure everybody upon the live will laugh and enjoy themselves just like how them a laugh in the video. So another next piece here, watch you go on. Hear this.
Me weak to the boy, me can't take it no more. Nah, I don't talk. Him say I'm insecure, but enough gyal a run him down. That's for sure. Me watch him like cause him go through the door. Friend them a ask when me a go and suffer. Me I'm mad over the boy, yeah. Right, true. That's the truth. Watch Rasta. Yo, me tell about it.
No, tell me now. Talk truth, talk truth, talk truth. Manifestation, man ass.
Me give the boy me head. Even the stop stir my daily meds. Oh, the Rastaman in a bed. But we to the boy, I can't take it no more. I just the
You have to
truth.
show the nails. You have to show the nails.
I just the truth.
Right?
Nails right, that's
Right.
The nails want fill. The nails want fill Italy for me. I did it for his birthday. I like the cute things.
Yes.
Ladies don't have enough to take care of a man and do the cute things them. Because it's not the big things, it's the small things that matters.
Yes.
Yeah. But I just the truth. I'm weak to the boy. I can't take it no more. And I don't talk. Right there so. I'm going upstairs to sleep. I haven't slept in 3 days. You know, we fly from where we go first? From Atlanta
straight go Tampa.
to Tampa. And from Tampa to where?
Lauderdale.
So I haven't slept in 3 nights. So I go upstairs, go lie down in a bed. Rastaman go rub me right down and massage foot there. So yes.
Ready for this?
Man for treat you good.
Very good.
Yeah, and that's the truth.
And that's the truth. And the little things where you say.
That's the little things them that count.
I love the body.
So I gotta leave you guys. Happy Sunday. I was just checking in on you guys. Don't forget check out the video them. Ed video is out. I remember clean out, you know. Me and daddy clean, so me I open up and I watch.
Yes, ladies, so what did you learn? You know what I mean? You don't think you don't got enough advice for get and keep on one Rastaman. You don't think you don't know how to treat a Rastaman for make him stay. You don't think you don't have it for get a man for make you head mash up like how Spice head mash up. Cause you don't see it there. Spice now hide and talk. Spice attack public and Spice assure happiness and assure Rastaman and assure relationship. And she even drop advice so uno can have happiness like her too. So people like that for the video you see me I say I will laugh, me I feel laugh. So big up on yourself. If it's the first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing and commenting. Now everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know, 10 to blacks. Yardie.